So let us do one more problem based on trigonometric identities. See this problem. This is also very simple one. By doing some small adjustments in the LHS part, we can obtain RHS part. So as usual, take LHS part first. Your LHS would be cos square theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin cube theta, this one, by sin theta minus cos theta. So this was your LHS part. Let us do a bit simplification, and here also you can say, here simple thing is that you have tan theta. Convert this tan theta into sin and cos terms. How do you convert it? Tell me. Cos square theta by, see this here, 1 minus tan theta can be written as what? Tan theta can be expressed as the ratio of sin theta to cos theta. So write it down. Sin theta upon cos theta. So this part is a bit clumsy in denominator part. Let us solve further. Now write the sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta as it is. Okay, now here denominator part is looking a bit clumsy. Let us solve. Now cos square theta, by taking here LCM in this denominator part, what do you get? Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta, right? Plus sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta, right? Okay, this is what. Now you just tell me, here denominator is in denominator part, it's a fraction, so it will be inverted or not? Yes, let us invert this. So cos square theta into what? Into this cos with cos theta comes in numerator part. So cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta, right? Okay, plus here sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta, right? Like this we wrote, means this expression we wrote as it is with no change. Okay, so just see here, cos square theta is multiplied with cos theta, then we get cos cube theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, plus sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta, right? Now we observe, if you observe the denominator parts now, here this is cos theta minus sin theta and this is sin theta minus cos theta. So here terms are same in the denominator part, but their signs are different. In order to make the signs, here cos theta minus sin theta is there. So if you want to obtain here also cos theta minus sin theta, then we need to take common minus in the denominator part. Let us do it first. Cos cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta, just see, plus sin cube theta by, let me take here minus sign in common. Okay, minus sign can be taken common, and here when we took minus in common, the signs of the terms inside the bracket will be converted, will be changed. Then what happens? Here previously we had minus cos theta, now we need to write it as what? Plus cos theta. And here previously we had sin theta, it will be minus sin theta now. Okay, so here when we wrote minus can be written attached to here numerator part also or not? So when minus is attached to this, minus into plus will be minus. So better we write here minus sign minus. Okay, because we took common minus from the denominator of second fraction, so symbol in between two fractions is converted to minus. That is the reason. Okay, now here two fractions became same or not? Yes, here also cos theta minus sin theta, and here also we got cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so we can write, we don't need to take the LCM. We can write LCM as cos theta minus sin theta only. Write the denominator part as it is, cos theta minus sin theta, and upper part would be what? Your upper part would be cos cube theta minus symbol is there in between, and sin cube theta. So therefore cos cube theta minus sin cube theta. Okay, now we find something different. What it is? Here we obtained a cube minus b cube pattern or not? Let us see what the formula is there for a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube means, we need to take the help of algebra part to solve the trigonometry also. Okay, so just see here, a cube minus b cube can be splitted into what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, right? So a cube minus b cube is equal to what? A minus b into a square plus b square, a square plus ab plus b square. This is the expansion of a cube minus b cube. Once again telling, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so like this we can write. So now do it fast. Here a is cos theta and b is sin theta. So this is in the pattern of what? A cube minus b cube. So therefore we can write it as first a minus b. A is cos theta minus b would be sin theta minus sin theta into, now a square plus ab plus b square. What is a square? Cos square theta. And what is ab? Cos theta sin theta. Cos theta sin theta. Now just let me rub this. Okay, and what is b square? A square plus ab plus b square. What is that? Sin square theta, right? Sin square theta, put the bracket upon cos theta minus sin theta. If you observe, this term is there in numerator and denominator part, so we can cancel them together. So what do we obtain here? Cos square theta. Now let us, only this brackets are cancelled. Inside this bracket we have terms cos square theta plus cos theta sin theta plus sin square theta. Let us do some rearrangement. Cos square theta and sin square theta should be grouped together. Okay, so then cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos theta sin theta by nothing is there. Okay, so therefore cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 1 cos theta sin theta. Now tell me, what does it represent? Cos square theta plus sin square theta means, is it a standard trigonometric identity or not? It's an identity. So what is its value? 1. Okay, first trigonometric identity would be your sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and that we obtained here. So its value we can put as 1 plus cos theta sin theta. Okay, so now did we obtain our required part or not? So therefore we obtained our required part under RHS. So we took LHS part and we obtained RHS. So therefore LHS we proved equal to what? RHS. So hence it is proved, and this is also one previous question as you can see here. So like this we can solve all the problems of trigonometric not trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities. Okay, what are trigonometric identities? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, and secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Based on these only we can do thousands of the problems, and as we are also giving you a lot of problems from past few videos. Okay, anyways guys, if you understood this, well and good. If you did not understand, or if you have any doubts, or if you are expecting any other topic from us, please put them in the comment section. Your comment makes very value for us. Okay, very value for us, so don't forget to comment.